Hi everyone. So recently, a lot of you have been asking about how to pronounce Kanchanjangha, which is names of our black tea and green tea, Kanchanjanga noir and Kanchanjanga Verde. But it's also the name Kanchanjanga really comes from the name of the third highest peak in the world, Mount Kanchanjangha, which is where our family farm is located. So I'll try to help you to pronounce Kanchanjanga. So try to break that word in 4 different parts. So first is Kan, second is Chun, third is Jung, and the fourth one is Ga. So to break it apart, think of 4 different words. Kanchan, Kan as in constitution, break that Kan apart. Chun as in chunky, so break that chung in the second part. And Jung as in jungle. And then the last one, Ga, as in Ghana. So you have Kan, Chun, Jung, Ga. Hope you enjoy that. Cheers. Happy holidays.